Protect your pancreas. Foods and habits to prevent diabetes naturally. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're focusing on a powerful but often forgotten organ, your pancreas. This little organ plays a huge role in digestion and blood sugar control, and when it's under stress, it can lead to type 2 diabetes, inflammation, and serious health complications. In this video, I'll show you how to support your pancreas naturally with the right foods, movement, and habits to help you prevent diabetes before it starts. If you're ready to take control of your blood sugar and health, hit that like button and let's dive in. Section 1. What your pancreas does. Your pancreas has two main jobs. It helps digest your food and regulates your blood sugar by producing insulin. When you eat too much sugar or ultra-processed foods, your pancreas works overtime, and over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. But the great news is you can protect and support your pancreas, and it starts with what you eat. Section 2. Pancreas-friendly foods. Here are the top foods that nourish your pancreas and keep your blood sugar stable. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and chard are full of antioxidants that reduce inflammation. 2. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries help regulate blood sugar and support insulin sensitivity. 3. Whole grains. Oats, quinoa, and brown rice digest slowly and keep glucose levels steady. 4. Healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, and nuts reduce insulin spikes and support hormonal balance. 5. Fatty fish. Omega-3s in salmon and mackerel reduce inflammation and may protect pancreas cells. Foods to avoid. Refined sugars, white bread, sugary drinks, and deep-fried foods, all of which spike insulin and wear out the pancreas. Section 3. Daily movement for blood sugar balance. Physical activity improves insulin sensitivity and takes the pressure off your pancreas. Here's how to move smart. 1. Brisk walking after meals. Just 10 to 15 minutes can help your body process sugar more efficiently. 2. Strength training. Lifting weights builds muscle, and muscle uses more glucose even at rest. 3. Gentle yoga or stretching. Supports digestion, reduces stress, and lowers inflammation. 4. Fun cardio, dancing, hiking, cycling. Helps you burn glucose, improve mood, and energize your system. Remember, even a little movement every day is better than none. Don't wait to feel motivated, just start. Section 4. Habits to protect your pancreas. Long term, let's wrap up with some simple but powerful habits that protect your pancreas every day. 1. Stay hydrated. Water helps your pancreas produce enzymes and regulate blood sugar. 2. Practice portion control. Overeating taxes the pancreas. Try smaller meals spaced out during the day. 3. Prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep increases insulin resistance and inflammation. 4. Manage stress. High cortisol interferes with insulin. Try meditation, nature walks, or journaling. 5. Read labels. Look out for hidden sugars in sauces, breads, and snacks. Aim for whole, unprocessed foods. Your pancreas may be small, but it's a powerhouse for your health. With the right habits, you can keep it strong and avoid disease naturally. Balance your meals, move your body, stay consistent, and you'll give your pancreas the support it needs to serve you for life. If this video helped you, give it a like and leave a comment with your favorite pancreas-friendly food. And don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness University for more weekly tips to live stronger, longer, and better. Eat clean, move daily, protect your health.